Question number 100. What is Fortigate?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Fortigate is a next-generation firewall, NGFW, developed by Fortinet, providing security for enterprises with features like intrusion prevention, antivirus, and VPN. Question number 99. How does Fortigate handle stateful inspection?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Fortigate uses a stateful inspection engine to monitor active connections, dynamically adjusting to allow or block data packets based on traffic state. Question number 98. Explain UTM in Fortigate.
3, 2, 1, 0.
Unified Threat Management (UTM) in Fortigate integrates multiple security services such as firewall, intrusion prevention, web filtering, and antivirus in one device. Question number 97. What is a virtual domain (VDOM) in Fortigate?
3, 2, 1, 0.
VDOMs allow multiple virtual firewalls to operate on one physical Fortigate device, providing separation of network traffic and policy control within each VDOM. Question number 96. Describe Fortigate High Availability (HA).
3, 2, 1, 0.
HA in Fortigate involves configuring multiple devices in an active-passive or active-active mode to provide failover or load balancing capabilities. Question number 95. How does Fortigate perform antivirus scanning?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Fortigate uses a signature-based antivirus engine and sandboxing to detect, block, and quarantine malicious files and threats within network traffic. Question number 94. What is FortiOS?
3, 2, 1, 0.
FortiOS is Fortinet's operating system, which powers Fortigate devices, managing all security policies and network traffic. Question number 93. Explain Fortigate's intrusion prevention system, IPS.
3, 2, 1, 0.
Fortigate's IPS inspects network traffic for malicious activity, using signatures and anomaly detection to block potential attacks before they penetrate the network. Question number 92. How do you configure a VPN on Fortigate?
3, 2, 1, 0.
VPNs on Fortigate can be configured in either SSL or IPSec mode, providing secure connections through encryption between remote users or sites and the corporate LAN. Question number 91. What types of logs are available in Fortigate?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Fortigate offers various logs, including traffic, event, system, security, and local or remote logging, which help in tracking network activity and diagnosing issues. Question number 90. How does Fortigate use FortiGuard?
3, 2, 1, 0.
FortiGuard is Fortinet's security subscription service, providing real-time updates for antivirus, web filtering, and IPS signatures on Fortigate devices. Question number 89. What is the role of SSL deep inspection in Fortigate?
3, 2, 1, 0.
SSL deep inspection decrypts SSL TLS traffic, allowing Fortigate to scan the data within secure traffic for threats and policy enforcement. Question number 88. Explain application control in Fortigate.
3, 2, 1, 0.
Application control allows Fortigate to identify and control access to applications within the network by analyzing traffic patterns and signatures. Question number 87. What is the purpose of Fortigate's fabric connectors?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Fabric connectors allow Fortigate devices to integrate with third-party systems, automating security processes and extending visibility across environments. Question number 86. Describe the concept of security profiles in Fortigate.
3, 2, 1, 0.
Security profiles in Fortigate allow the administrator to configure settings for antivirus, web filtering, IPS, and application control under one unified policy. Question number 85. How do you reset a Fortigate to factory settings?
3, 2, 1, 0.
A factory reset can be done from the CLI using exec factory reset, or from the GUI by selecting the Factory Reset option under System Settings. Question number 84. What is the purpose of FortiAnalyzer?
3, 2, 1, 0.
FortiAnalyzer is a log management and analysis tool for Fortinet products, centralizing logs, and providing insight through detailed reports and alerts. Question number 83. What is the Fortigate policy ID?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Each policy on Fortigate is assigned a unique policy ID, allowing for easy identification and tracking of specific policies in logs and configurations. Question number 82. Describe Fortigate's packet flow.
3, 2, 1, 0.
Fortigate follows a specific packet flow for traffic, including pre-routing checks, policy matching, session table checking, and post-routing stages. Question number 81. What is the difference between NAT and PAT in Fortigate?
3, 2, 1, 0.
NAT translates internal IP addresses to an external IP, while PAT, port address translation, translates multiple internal IPs to a single external IP using different ports. Question number 80. How do you perform a policy lookup in Fortigate?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Use Diagnose Firewall Policy List in the CLI to view policies and their details. Alternatively, in the GUI, use the Policy and Objects section to locate policies. Question number 79. What are security zones in Fortigate?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Security zones are logical groupings of interfaces in Fortigate, used to apply policies uniformly across interfaces that share security characteristics. Question number 78. How does Fortigate support IPv6?
3, 2, 1,
FortiGate supports IPv6 by allowing the configuration of IPv6 policies, routing, and firewall rules alongside traditional IPv4 settings. Question number 77. What is SD-WAN in FortiGate?
3, 2, 1, 0.
SD-WAN. Software-defined wide area network. In FortiGate enhances network performance by using multiple WAN connections and dynamically routing traffic based on defined policies. Question number 76. Describe the FortiGate interface types.
3, 2, 1, 0.
FortiGate interfaces can be physical hardware ports, VLAN, virtual LANs, or aggregated interfaces. Link aggregation. Each type serves different network architecture needs. Question number 75. What is the function of FortiManager?
3, 2, 1, 0.
FortiManager is a centralized management solution for Fortinet devices, allowing administrators to configure, monitor, and manage multiple FortiGate units from one interface. Question number 74. How does FortiGate perform web filtering?
3, 2, 1, 0.
FortiGate performs web filtering using URL filtering, content filtering, and application control to block access to unwanted or harmful websites based on defined policies. Question number 73. Explain how to troubleshoot connectivity issues on FortiGate.
3, 2, 1, 0.
Use tools like ping, traceroute, and diagnose commands to check connectivity. Analyzing logs can also help identify issues related to policies or routes. Question number 72. What are the default admin credentials for FortiGate?
3, 2, 1, 0.
The default admin username is admin, and there is no password initially set. It is crucial to change these credentials after first access for security reasons. Question number 71. How do you implement two-factor authentication, 2FA, on FortiGate?
3, 2, 1, 0.
2FA can be configured on FortiGate by enabling FortiToken or integrating third-party solutions to enhance login security for the management interface and VPN access. Question number 70. What is FortiGate's DNS filter?
3, 2, 1, 0.
DNS filtering allows administrators to block domains or control access to certain websites based on DNS queries, enhancing network security against phishing and malware. Question number 69. What is a security fabric?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Security Fabric is Fortinet's integrated cybersecurity architecture, allowing different Fortinet products to share information, providing comprehensive visibility and response capabilities. Question number 68. How do you configure a static route in FortiGate?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Static routes can be configured via the GUI or CLI, specifying the destination network, gateway IP, and interface through which to route the traffic. Question number 67. Explain the difference between IPv4 and IPv6 in terms of Fortigate configuration.
3, 2, 1, 0.
IPv4 and IPv6 configurations differ mainly in addressing schemes, routing protocols, and policy settings. Fortigate supports both protocols, enabling dual-stack configurations. Question number 66. How do you monitor Fortigate's performance?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Fortigate's performance can be monitored through the GUI dashboard. CLI commands like get system performance status and FortiAnalyzer for detailed reporting. Question number 65. Describe the concept of an SSL VPN.
3, 2, 1, 0.
An SSL VPN allows secure remote access to internal resources over SSL encryption, providing flexibility for users to connect from any device without requiring client software. Question number 64. What are the main components of a Fortigate firewall?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Main components include the control plane, managing processes and policies, data plane, processing network traffic, and management interfaces, GUI and CLI. Question number 63. How do you secure administrative access to Fortigate?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Secure administrative access by using strong passwords, enabling 2FA, configuring administrative access settings, and restricting IP addresses from which admin access is allowed. Question number 62. Explain how to create an interface-based policy in Fortigate.
3, 2, 1, 0.
Interface-based policies can be created in the Policy and Object section of the GUI, specifying source and destination interfaces, addresses, and service options. Question number 61. How does Fortigate's email filtering work?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Fortigate's email filtering inspects email messages for spam, viruses, and unwanted content, using predefined policies and FortiGuard updates to enforce email security. Question number 60. Describe how Fortigate integrates with SIEM solutions.
3, 2, 1, 0.
Fortigate can send logs and alerts to security information and event management SIEM solutions via syslog, API, or integration with Fortis IEM for centralized monitoring. Question number 59. What is the purpose of FortiClient?
3, 2, 1, 0.
FortiClient is an endpoint security solution that provides antivirus, web filtering, and VPN capabilities, integrating with Fortigate for unified endpoint protection. Question number 58. How do you configure DHCP on Fortigate?
3, 2, 1, 0.
DHCP can be configured in the network settings, allowing Fortigate to assign IP addresses automatically to devices in the network by specifying IP ranges and options. Question number 57. What is the difference between an SSL VPN and an IPSec VPN?
3, 2, 1, 0.
SSL VPNs use SSL, TLS protocols for secure connections, often easier for users, while IPSec VPNs use protocols for securing IP communications, typically more robust for site-to-site connections. Question number 56. How do you update Fortigate firmware?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Firmware updates can be done via the GUI by uploading the firmware file or using the CLI with the execute upgrade command after downloading the firmware package. Question number 55. Describe FortiGate's logging and reporting features.
3, 2, 1, 0.
FortiGate provides extensive logging capabilities, including traffic, event, and security logs, which can be viewed through the GUI or sent to FortiAnalyzer for advanced reporting. Question number 54. How do you configure DNS on FortiGate?
3, 2, 1, 0.
DNS can be configured in the network settings, allowing you to specify DNS servers for resolving domain names used in policies and routing. Question number 53. What is FortiWeb?
3, 2, 1, 0.
FortiWeb is Fortinet's web application firewall, WAF, that protects web applications from attacks such as SQL injection, cross-site scripting, and other web-based threats. Question number 52. How do you create a user account on FortiGate?
3, 2, 1, 0.
User accounts can be created in the User and Device section of the GUI, specifying username, password, and assigning user groups for access control. Question number 51. Explain FortiGate's logging levels.
3, 2, 1, 0.
FortiGate supports different logging levels, including emergency, alert, critical, error, warning, notice, informational, and debug, allowing customization of log verbosity. Question number 50. What is the function of FortiSandbox?
3, 2, 1, 0.
FortiSandbox is an advanced threat detection solution that analyzes suspicious files in a secure environment, providing protection against zero-day threats and targeted attacks. Question number 49. How can you test FortiGate configurations before applying them?
3, 2, 1, 0.
You can use the test option in the GUI for policy configurations, or utilize the CLI to validate configurations using commands like diagnose to check settings without applying changes. Question number 48. How do you configure an SSL certificate on FortiGate?
3, 2, 1, 0.
SSL certificates can be imported via the GUI under System, Certificates, allowing you to manage secure communications for VPNs and web access. Question number 47. What are the FortiGate security policies?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Security policies define how traffic is handled by FortiGate, specifying source, destination addresses, services, and action, allow or deny. Question number 46. Describe the FortiGate web-based manager.
3, 2, 1, 0.
The FortiGate web-based manager is an intuitive interface for configuring and managing the device, providing access to monitoring, logging, and policy settings. Question number 45. How do you configure an IPSec VPN between two FortiGates?
3, 2, 1, 0.
An IPSec VPN can be configured using the VPN wizard in the GUI, specifying local, remote gateways, IP addresses, and encryption settings. Question number 44. What is the purpose of FortiOS CLI?
3, 2, 1, 0.
The CLI, command line interface, allows administrators to configure and manage FortiGate devices, providing more granular control and advanced options compared to the GUI. Question number 43. How does FortiGate handle IP fragmentation?
3, 2, 1, 0.
FortiGate handles IP fragmentation by reassembling fragmented packets to inspect them before allowing or blocking traffic based on policies. Question number 42. Explain how to set up FortiGuard updates.
3, 2, 1, 0.
FortiGuard updates can be configured under System greater than FortiGuard, allowing you to schedule updates for antivirus signatures, IPS, and other security services. Question number 41. How do you enable logging for a specific policy?
3, 2, 1, 0.
In the policy configuration settings, enable logging by checking the log allowed traffic option and selecting the desired log level for that policy. Question number 40. What is the function of a FortiGate FortiLink?
3, 2, 1, 0.
FortiLink allows FortiGate devices to manage Forti switches and Forti APs, providing centralized management and security across wired and wireless networks. Question number 39. How does FortiGate's URL filtering work?
3, 2, 1, 0.
URL filtering works by matching user requests against a predefined list of URLs and categories, blocking or allowing access based on security policies. Question number 38. What are the key components of a FortiGate policy?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Key components of a FortiGate policy include source, destination addresses, services, action, allow or deny, and schedule settings for time-based policies. Question number 37. Describe how to backup and restore FortiGate configurations.
3, 2, 1, 0.
Configurations can be backed up via the GUI under System, Maintenance, Backup, and restored by uploading a configuration file to the device. Question number 36. What is the role of the FortiGate session table?
3, 2, 1, 0.
The session table tracks active connections and sessions, maintaining state information about each connection for efficient packet processing and security. Enforcement. Question number 35. How do you configure a FortiGate to act as a transparent firewall?
3, 2, 1, 0.
To configure FortiGate as a transparent firewall, set the operation mode to transparent in the GUI or CLI, allowing it to inspect traffic without altering IP addresses. Question number 34. What is FortiGate's endpoint control?
3, 2, 1, 0.
FortiGate's endpoint control feature allows monitoring and controlling devices accessing the network, applying security policies based on device compliance. Question number 33. Describe the concept of a FortiGate SSL VPN portal.
3, 2, 1, 0.
An SSL VPN portal provides remote users with a web-based interface to access internal resources, applications, and network services securely via a browser. Question number 32. What is the difference between an active and passive FortiGate?
3, 2, 1, 0.
An active FortiGate actively handles traffic and processes policies, while a passive unit stands by to take over in case the active unit fails, ensuring high availability. Question number 31. How do you configure a firewall policy to block a specific application?
3, 2, 1, 0.
To block an application, create a security policy that matches the application using the application control feature and set the action to deny. Question number 30. Explain how FortiGate performs threat intelligence.
3, 2, 1, 0.
FortiGate utilizes threat intelligence feeds from FortiGuard to update its security profiles and signature databases, enhancing its ability to detect and respond to threats. Question number 29. What are the steps to configure FortiGate for site-to-site VPN?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Configure local and remote gateways. Create IPSec VPN settings, and establish policies to allow traffic between the sites over the VPN tunnel. Question number 28. How does FortiGate support mobile device management, MDM?
3, 2, 1, 0.
FortiGate integrates with MDM solutions to enforce security policies on mobile devices accessing corporate resources, ensuring compliance and security. Question number 27. What are the recommended best practices for FortiGate configuration?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Best practices include regular firmware updates, using strong passwords, configuring logging and alerting, implementing least privilege access, and regular configuration backups. Question number 26. Explain how to use FortiGate in a hybrid cloud environment.
3, 2, 1, 0.
FortiGate can be deployed in hybrid cloud environments for consistent security, connecting on-premises infrastructure with cloud resources through secure VPNs and gateways. Question number 25. What is FortiGate's role in Zero Trust architecture?
3, 2,
In a zero-trust architecture, Fortigate enforces strict access controls, continuously authenticating users and devices, ensuring only authorized access to network resources. Question number 24. How do you configure bandwidth management on Fortigate?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Bandwidth management can be configured using traffic shaping settings in policies, allowing prioritization of applications and controlling bandwidth usage per user or application. Question number 23. What are the default ports used by Fortigate for management?
3, 2, 1, 0.
The default management ports for Fortigate are TCP/80 for HTTP, TCP/443 for HTTPS, and TCP/22 for SSH access. Question number 22. Describe how Fortigate can be used for load balancing.
3, 2, 1, 0.
Fortigate can perform load balancing for multiple servers by distributing traffic based on configured algorithms, enhancing performance and availability of services. Question number 21. How do you ensure Fortigate is compliant with industry regulations?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Ensure compliance by regularly updating security policies, maintaining documentation, conducting audits, and using Fortigate features like logging and reporting for accountability. Question number 20. What is the difference between a physical and virtual Fortigate?
3, 2, 1, 0.
A physical Fortigate is a hardware appliance, while a virtual Fortigate is a software-based solution deployed on virtual machines, offering flexibility and scalability. Question number 19. Explain the concept of Fortigate's IP address reputation.
3, 2, 1, 0.
IP address reputation helps identify and block malicious IP addresses based on historical data, protecting networks from known threats and abusive behaviors. Question number 18. What is Fortigate's role in incident response?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Fortigate plays a critical role in incident response by providing visibility into network threats, blocking malicious activities, and assisting in forensics through logs and reports. Question number 17. Describe Fortigate's integration with FortiAnalyzer.
3, 2, 1, 0.
FortiAnalyzer provides centralized logging, reporting, and analytics for Fortigate devices, enhancing visibility and response capabilities across the network. Question number 16. What is the purpose of Fortigate's application control?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Application control identifies and manages application usage, allowing administrators to set policies to allow, block, or restrict bandwidth for specific applications. Question number 15. How do you create a custom application signature in Fortigate?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Custom application signatures can be created in the application control settings, defining characteristics like port numbers and protocols to identify specific applications. Question number 14. What is the function of FortiGate's IPS?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Intrusion Prevention System. IPS analyzes network traffic for malicious activity, blocking or alerting on potential threats based on configured signatures and policies. Question number 13. How do you configure VPN client access on FortiGate?
3, 2, 1, 0.
VPN client access is configured by creating SSL VPN settings, defining user groups, and applying policies to allow access to internal resources for remote users. Question number 12. Describe FortiGate's antivirus features.
3, 2, 1, 0.
FortiGate's antivirus features provide real-time protection against malware by inspecting incoming and outgoing traffic, blocking infected files based on signature updates. Question number 11. What is FortiGate's web filtering capability?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Web filtering blocks access to harmful or inappropriate websites based on URL categories and policies, protecting users from web-based threats. Question number 10. Explain how FortiGate handles DDoS attacks.
3, 2, 1, 0.
FortiGate mitigates DDoS attacks through various methods, including rate limiting, traffic shaping, and anomaly detection, ensuring network availability during attacks. Question number 9. How do you enable antivirus scanning on FortiGate?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Antivirus scanning can be enabled in the security profile settings for policies, ensuring that incoming and outgoing traffic is inspected for malware. Question number 8. Describe the FortiGate deployment options.
3, 2, 1, 0.
FortiGate can be deployed as a physical appliance, virtual appliance, or in the cloud, providing flexibility to meet different network security needs and architectures. Question number 7. What is the function of FortiGate's Web Application Firewall, WAF?
3, 2, 1, 0.
FortiGate's WAF protects web applications from attacks like SQL injection and cross-site scripting, ensuring secure access to web resources. Question number 6. How do you configure user authentication on FortiGate?
3, 2, 1, 0.
User authentication can be configured using local or remote user databases, defining login methods and policies in the user and device settings. Question number 5. Explain the purpose of FortiGate's threat protection features.
3, 2, 1, 0.
FortiGate's threat protection features provide multi-layered security, including antivirus, IPS, web filtering, and application control to safeguard networks from various threats. Question number 4. What are the common protocols used in FortiGate configurations?
3, 2, 1, 0.
Common protocols include TCP, UDP, ICMP, and IPSec, each serving different roles in network communication and security configurations. Question number 3. How do you configure NAT on Fortigate?
3, 2, 1, 0.
NAT can be configured in the Policy and Objects section by defining source and destination NAT rules. Translating IP addresses as traffic passes through the firewall. Question number 2. What is the purpose of a firewall?
3, 2, 1, 0.
A firewall protects a network by controlling incoming and outgoing traffic based on predetermined security rules, preventing unauthorized access and threats. Question number 1. Describe the role of Fortigate in network security.
3, 2, 1, 0.
Fortigate serves as a next-generation firewall, providing comprehensive security features like threat protection, VPN, and traffic management to safeguard networks.